Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Police. The brand Police is an Italian designer house from I think it's from Milan, and they are what they're famous for is for clothings, especially accessorized like handbag, like scarves and you name it, like sunglasses and also so forth and things like that. And they have quite an extensive fragrance lineup in their portfolio. In terms of men's, they have about 10 to 15 men's, and about ladies similar amount. And I have at least about 7 or 8 fragrances from, or maybe even more, up to 10 fragrances from them. They are quite good for, especially for a price. They are quite on the reasonable side of prices, and in terms of smell, they are okay. They are good, but they what they lack in is performance. Not all of them. Sometimes you get an okay performance, sometimes weak, sometimes very, very good, but it's hit and miss. So this one in particular is called Amber Gold by Police, and this is for Eau de Toilette and is aimed for men. So this just came out about 3-4 weeks ago, and when I saw it, I had to get it. In United Kingdom you can find it under £20. But before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. Your finger can do wonders. It's a small movement for you, but for me it makes a big difference. It keeps this channel afloat. It keeps it going forward. It will make me survive much longer, and to bring you fragrances like this in future which nobody else talks about to your attention. Thank you for your support, and let's go. So sorry about the noise. So this one is a this line is called Contemporary line, I think. Come on please, what are you doing? I don't have big names. Okay, so quite a simple box, but it does the job perfectly, which is protecting the bottle. From this line they all look the same, but different coloring. This one is about light gold or gold color, amber color. It's called Amber Gold, so the coloring is quite correct. So under £20 for 100 ml at a toilette. And here we go. How is the smell? Let's see the first atomizer. The atomizers usually on these ones are not very good. Here we go. Yeah, it's okay. It's not great. It's not bad either. It does the job, which is give the juice out. Here we go. So first sniff, first impression for Amber Gold by Police, and this is Eau de Toilette 100 ml in United Kingdom under 20 quid. Here we go. Ooh, big rose. So first thing it hits me is the rosiness. So it's very, very big on rose. Citrusy, at least bergamot, if not lemon as well. But the rose is massive in here. Very woody in the backbone, so I'm expecting it to be cedar, maybe sandalwood as well, because it's quite smooth right now. It's quite sweet, so I'm expecting it to be vanilla. It smells like vanilla. Usually with gold it means vanilla is inside, so Amber Gold means vanillic. It's quite ambery, as it says. Amber Gold is quite ambery, but the amber is here. It's not deep, it's not resinous, it's not dark. It's quite bright, it's quite happy. It's quite light, and also it's quite sweet. A little hint of hint of spices in here. Yeah, definitely cinnamon. Cinnamon is quite big. Little bit of earthiness come from patchouli like thing, maybe a little bit of patchouli in here as well. But overall, it smells quite good. It's done before, it's nothing new, but for a price, it smells quite nice. As I said, with the House of Police, usually presentation on the simple side, usually with the smells quite good, and the price is very very good. The only thing is longevity. We have to wait and see if it's last quite a while or not. If it lasts even 6 hours plus, I'm very very happy, and it will be a nice banger, because for that price, under 20 quid, and it smells very very good. Yeah, rose. So it's quite big on the rose. It's almost giving me rose oud combo, but there's no oud in here. Instead of oud, it's mainly sandalwood, cedar, patchouli. So almost in the realm of rose oud, because the rose is quite big. It's one of the biggest players, rose here, if not the biggest player. So first thing first, citrus is quite light. I would say bergamot and lemon. And then in the mid is rose, and the rose is quite big in here, so you need to like your rose, because the first thing it hits me is the rose. And the rose in here is on the little bit on the jammy side, because of that vanillic feel to it. Little bit, not much. It's not a rose, too jammy. It's quite a little bit on the jammy side. So it is red rose, but on the jammy side a little bit. And also sandalwood, cedar, a little bit patchouli. The amber in here is rounded, is smooth, is golden, as it says, gold amber, and also sweet, but it's not a deep resin. Okay. Again, it reminds me of rose oud combo without the oud, but instead of oud here, we're having a little bit of amber, you're having a little bit of patchouli, and a little bit of sandalwood, and a little bit of cedar. Most likely, this is how I'm smelling, how I'm feeling from it. Yeah, so quite good for the smell. If you like that kind of smell, this is very very good, especially for a price that is a bargain. But always but, and that is the longevity. If the longevity is anything good, even if it's moderate, medium, that is acceptable. So I'll let you know in the next video the longevity, the development, things like that. But for first sniff, first impression, yes, I'm loving the smell. It's quite smooth, it's quite rounded. There's no harshness in here, which is very surprising. I didn't even feel the alcohol or anything like that. So for the first sniff, first impression, yes, I'm loving it. I will let you know in the next video how it goes, and then we need to know what is the longevity and the performance on this. Okay guys, if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future. Your help will take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. If you want to buy one of my own fragrances, they are out of this world. They are super artistic, ultra beast mode, amazing value for money, 100% natural. And when I say ultra beast mode, they are ultra beast mode. Yesterday I touched one of my fragrances, just touched the bottle, and the wifey says, "Oh my god, what did you put on?" So imagine how strong it is. I just touched the bottle, I didn't even spray it. They are ultra beast mode. Yes, for true. Okay, thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.